Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Now let's have a conversation about getting you some money. In a previous video, I talked about BMO Harris, who is our featured subject today, coming up with a product for Black and Latino business owners to help you get access to more capital. Well, I'm happy to report that this program has been expanded, a state has been added, and more classes have been added. Let's jump right into it. The Harris BMO Black Latinx for Businesses program is up to $50,000 of business funding. It has now been extended to also include Native Americans. So BMO Harris is also, of course, supporting Native American businesses, and you can also get your hands on up to $50,000 of business funding for your business to help you grow, put some money in your pocket, help you expand that business, make you feel like you are riding on air. In addition to that, now women are also added, and it does not matter what your ethnicity is. If you're a woman, you can get up to $50,000 of funding to help you take your business to the next level. Now, how are you going to make that happen? I'm so glad you asked, because I got answers. So what you're going to need to do is, first of all, you are going to set an appointment with BMO Harris. And you can do that by going into the branch. You can set an appointment, going into the branch, make an appointment with a banker. If you're unable to do that, or if the branch is kind of far, I'm going to put up a number in a few moments that you can call to possibly schedule it to be done over the phone. Now, what this program does is it gives you flexible funding and access to learning and networking opportunities. It's up to $50,000, and then it involves either a line of credit, a business credit card, or can be a combination of both and get you up to $50,000. Okay, it's currently available in Arizona, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Minnesota, Missouri, and Wisconsin. Previously, I think Wisconsin was not included when I did the last video about it, but it has now been added. Another way you can even save a little bit on your repayments when you borrow from your line of credit, if you are a BMO business or personal checking customer and you set up an automatic payment to come from that account, you can also get 0.25% as a rate discount on your repayments. Now, I talked about those numbers again. So here are the phone numbers that you can call if you need to actually call and set up an appointment. Okay. In addition to those features that I told you about, of course, you're going to get better access to capital, which is super important. We cannot even explain how important that is. You're going to get access to education. There's going to be all types of seminars and webinars and all types of information that you will be able to get that will help you grow your business. This one cannot be overstated. Better access to partnerships. So I'm talking coaching. I'm talking, being invited to professional events. I'm talking being introduced to peers that are where you want to be. They can give you schooling on how you can get to that level. All of this stuff has, the value is priceless, okay? The value is priceless. So those are great benefits. I'm talking coaching, networking, all types of learning opportunities, and up to $50,000 to help you with your business. Now, there's a couple criteria that you got to meet. I actually met with a banker at BMO to find out what they were, and here they are. The first thing is you will need to show 2 years of being in business, and you'll need your tax records for being in business for 2 years. Okay, that's the first thing you're going to need. The second thing that you will need is you'll need a FICO score of 625. That's not a very high FICO score, so that's not that hard to obtain. I believe the FICO or the credit pull is going to be, of course, on your personal side, and it will be with TransUnion or Experian, I believe. TransUnion or Experian, depending on what state you're in. Last but not least, and this is something that BMO draws a hard line on, the 60-month rule. I've talked about it in previous videos where a lot of big box banks will not lend to you when you have had a Chapter 7 bankruptcy in the last 60 months. BMO is a little more strict than that. BMO actually will not lend to you if you have had a Chapter 7 bankruptcy for the last 7 years. So I'm talking 84 months. So if you've had a bankruptcy in the last 7 years, this is something that I would not recommend that you apply for unless for some reason that bankruptcy has been removed or it's not showing on your credit bureaus. So let's go over it again real quick. 625 credit score, 2 years in business, no bankruptcies for the last 7 years. And of course, you're going to need the basics like you'll need to show that it's an actual business, registered with your state, an EIN number. DUNS number will be helpful, and a business banking account will also be helpful. Also, if you have some type of accounting software in place for your business, like QuickBooks or something like that, that also just makes your case look that much stronger. Although it was not told to me that it is required, I would not recommend against you having that. I don't think it hurts you. I think it only strengthens your profile. So there it is, $50,000. Women, does not matter what your ethnicity is, Native Americans, and Black and Latino. That covers a whole lot of people that can qualify for this money in the states that I mentioned earlier. Of course, all links to tell you how to get your hands on this money will be in the comment section of this video. Guys, I hope you got something out of this. Make sure you remember to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so you know when more videos like this are coming out. YouTube thinks that this video is the next one you should watch, so go ahead and check that video out. But until I come back with my next video, I'm punching out, 100% gone.